How to use multiple audio outputs on Windows 11. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step method on how you can easily use multiple audio outputs on your device. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. I'd appreciate if you turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. So let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is press your Windows button or simply go to your search bar and then search for change audio settings. And once you do that, go ahead and search for this. Now once you search for change system sounds, go ahead and open it up and this control panel will open up right here. You will see different tabs on top. You will be on the sound tab by default. You want to head over to the playback tab. Now you will see all of the previously connected devices here. All you need to do now is right click on an empty space to show disabled device. And once you do that, you want to head over to the recording tab. You want to do the same right here to show disabled device. Now your stereo mix will pop up like this. You want to double click on it, and once you have done that, you just want to click on this drop down and select the device that you want to use. Click on OK and then click on apply, and once you have done that, you just want to enable this one. Click on OK and you're good to go. So that's how you enable multiple audio outputs on your device. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.